You'll have love at first sight with the 2026 Chevrolet Traverse. Answer the call for adventure in comfort and style in the bold, spacious Traverse. Its quiet cabin, flexible cargo storage, safety features, connectivity, and all-weather capabilities infuse every drive with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, navigation system, heated front seat, remote engine start. Maximize comfort, minimize stress. Drive the Traverse.